What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. So excited to bring you this quick holiday recipe for you guys. If you're on the go, you're running late, it's the holidays, let's face it, everybody's running behind. I'm gonna make these quick and easy Rice Krispie treats on our 36-inch induction cooktop. Let's rock and roll. Guys, turn on our 36-inch cooktop right here. We're gonna actually go right here. We're gonna hit the low settings. We're gonna go down to the melt setting for our dark chocolate. Do the same for our light chocolate. All right, now the melt will just hold this at the correct temperature so we don't scorch it, we don't burn it, or we don't even do it under. So it'll be the perfect consistency. It's probably gonna take about 8 or 10 minutes, but I've saved you time on the Rice Krispies, so you don't have to see that, all right? But check this out. So we have Rice Krispies, we have about 2 cups of crushed candy cane, and a little bit of the sprinkles of the holiday assortment of red, green, and white. This is gonna be super easy. This is the most satisfying part of this video. Check this out. Let's just smear that chocolate. Look how cool that looks. Let's get to the bottom of it. That's perfectly melted chocolate, okay? Look how fine that is. That's what you get with these controlled settings. Perfection, all right? Let's try it on the white, just do the same thing. Look at that. Nice and easy. This is holiday baking at its finest and easiest, all right? So, quick setting, guys, whatever you got at home, I know you got this candy laying around. I know everybody got peppermints around the holidays, things like that. What we're gonna do, take it nice and easy, give it a good little drizzle, drip right here. Even grab your spoon just to get, I like to go maybe a quarter of the way up, things of that sort. Just nice. A little bit heavy. Let's give it a quick toss, just like that. And then we'll let it run down. So if you stand it up, if you got that balance, I love that. We'll do the chocolate the same way. Look at that. Then we'll coat it in a little bit of this. Peppermint, look how cool. So guys, check out how fun and easy that is. I mean, you could wrap that up, send that to some friends, or even just make it in about 12 minutes out the door, go into your festive holiday party, your work party, your office party, anything. Nice, quick, and easy, all on an induction cooktop. Cleanup's a breeze. So I'm gonna actually, eat a Rice Krispie treat and start my holidays early. Thank you, guys. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Can't keep eating.